So I invited a couple of my friends over to hang out. My friend Sammy was actually the first one to show up, so I decided to build this little double layered cup barrier. I didn't really have a game plan at first. I was just hoping the door would knock it down. Well, of course, I didn't really check this before starting to build, so that wasn't really an option. So I just decided to get in position and just knock it down myself. So with that being said, here we go.
Was that cool?
Were you like expecting me to unlock the door?
No.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that? What the fuck?
I was doing a tower and you scared me.
Were you even recording?
No. Hi, Dad. Where's the milk? It's been 20 years. Nice forehead, Isabella.
Can you leave me alone and leave alone? Look at yours. You can do the clown check. Literally.
Do it to Jada. Oh, I did that in.
Oh yeah, do it to Jada.
Oh
my gosh, no.
Just let it happen.
Just let it happen.
Oh hell no.
You're fucked up.
Why is everyone so scared? It's a Nerf gun.
No.
Do you wanna go?
Don't do it to him. He's looking at it. Look at his ears. Look at it. Elias, he feels threatened.